how to crochet this cardigan. I did another tutorial where I explained how to crochet this vest. So click on the eye above on the right. If you don't see this little eye, please go with your mouse and the little eye is appearing, so click there and you will see the tutorial where I explained how to crochet this vest. In this video instead I'm explaining you how to crochet the sleeves to transform your vest into a cardigan. This cardigan is made with the phoenix stitch. I did also a tutorial to explain this stitch. I will explain again also in this one. And I will put all the information in the box information below this video, so never mind. If you don't like this color, of course you can do it with another one, is at your choice. I wanted something very colored, like a rainbow. So I am really satisfied with this cardigan. I will let you see again. And now let's get started. Bye bye! I'm ready now to make the sleeves. I show you the sleeves. In the case of the sleeves, I did them with just one strand of the same yarn. But of course, if you prefer, you can use 2 strands of this yarn as you did for the body of your cardigan. I think it's finer in this way for the sleeve with just one strand. Okay, so I show you. Okay, we will work this yarn with a 4.5 millimeters crochet hook and also with a 4 millimeters one. We start with the 4.5. Insert your hook here at the bottom of your armhole. These are the 2 corners and this is the central shell. Insert your hook into this shell in the center. Pick up the yarn, pull it through and fix it with 1 chain. Now you have to start with single crochet 1 all the way around. You don't have to work in any stitch you find below because more or less 1 stitch yes, 1 not, 1 yes, 1 not, because we have to reach the top of the armhole here in the point where we joined the back with the front with 25 single crochet, and then the remaining 25 single crochet on the other side. So start working and distribute equally your single crochet. Totally you have to do 50 single crochet all the way around. If you decided to work with 2 strands of this yarn, you have to do 46 single crochet using always the 4.5 millimeters crochet hook. For the sleeve, you have to add 2 more chains, 2 more stitches for each. At the end of this round, do your single crochet number 50 and then slip stitch to join into the first one. ready for the second round. Now we have to change stitch and to do our V-stitch, which is a multiple of 2. We start with chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The first 3 chains count as 1 double crochet. The fourth chain is for separation. Into the same stitch, enter and make another single crochet like that. Yarn over, skip the next stitch, into the next one, repeat 1 double crochet, chain 1, and into the same stitch another double crochet. Yarn over, skip the next stitch, into the next one, double crochet 1, chain 1, double crochet 1. Yarn over, skip the next stitch, into the next one, double crochet 1, chain 1, double crochet 1, and keep working like that all the way around. When you are at the end of this round, you just have to do your last V-stitch and slip stitch into the third chain. At the end of this round, slip stitch into the third chain you did at the beginning of this round. To start the second round, you have to slip stitch into the chain 1 space. Like that. And now from here, chain 4 and double crochet into the chain 1 space. This is the first V-stitch. Now insert your hook into the next chain 1 space and do double crochet 1, chain 1, double crochet 1. Do that all the way around. Into the next chain 1 space, repeat double crochet 1, chain 1, double crochet 1, and keep working like that all the way around. You will finish this round exactly like you did at the end of the first one, slip stitching into the third chain you did at the beginning of this round. Keep working like that with 4.5 millimeters crochet hook till round 8 included. At round 9 we have to change our hook from 4.5 millimeters to 4 millimeters. We start immediately our round 9 with 1 decrease. So chain 3, and we will replace the first V stitch with just 3 chain. Yarn over, insert your hook directly into the second V stitch and do double crochet 1, chain 1, double crochet 1. Now keep working normally, and I will show you how you have to finish this round. At the end of this round you will do your last V-stitch, and then to finish this round you just have to slip stitch to join into the third chain you did at the beginning of this round, like that. Now during the next round we will skip directly this double crochet below, and in this way we have decreased 1 complete V-stitch. Okay, I show you how. Next round, go from here, slip stitch into the next stitch, then slip stitch into the chain 1 space and start a new V-stitch with 4 chains and 1 double crochet, like that. At the end of this round we will do a V-stitch into the chain 1 space down here and slip stitch directly into the 3rd chain, skipping this double crochet below. So you understand now which is the real decrease. At the end of round 10, you see I'm completely skipping this first stitch I did at the beginning of round 9 and slip stitch directly into the 3rd chain I did at the beginning of round 10. You see that in this way I skipped completely 1 V-stitch. At round 9 my V-stitch became just 1 double crochet. At round 10 I completely skipped this stitch. This is my decrease. I have to decrease 4 times. This is the first one. Then you have to do another decrease like that at round 12, the 3rd decrease at round 16, and the 4th and last decrease at round 20. I am at the end of round 31, so you have to work the same stitch pattern till round 31. From round 32 to round 40, we have to change stitch. So chain 3 from the first double crochet below, yarn over, skip the next chain, go into the next double crochet and do double crochet 1. Now again into the next double crochet 1, skip the chain, go into the next double crochet. So you have to do double crochet 1 in each of the double crochet below, skipping all chains like that. From the next round you will have to do double crochet 1 in each double crochet below, because you already skipped all the chains. So from round 33 you don't have to decrease anymore, and keep working double crochet 1 in each double crochet below till round 40 included. Round 33, do double crochet 1 time in each one of the double crochet of previous round. At round 41, turning chain, into the very first stitch single crochet 1, and now single crochet 1 in each one of the below stitches like that. Do that also at round 42, and with round 42 after 2 rounds of single crochet our sleeve is completed, so you can fasten off the yarn.